In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download chart data in TradingView. This is really useful if you want to analyze your trades in a spreadsheet, backtest a strategy, or simply keep a record of historical prices outside the platform. First, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. This can be any market you're interested in, like a stock, cryptocurrency, or forex pair, and on any time frame. Once you're on the chart page, look toward the top area where you usually type in a symbol. That's the quick search bar, the place you use to look up tickers. Right beside that quick search field, you'll see a small arrow icon. It can be easy to miss because it's quite subtle, but this is what opens up some additional options for your chart. Go ahead and click on that small arrow next to the quick search bar. When you click it, a menu will appear with several different tools and actions related to the chart you're currently viewing. Take a moment to look through the options so you get familiar with what's there. But for now, focus on the one labeled Download Chart Data. This is the option that lets you export the visible chart information to a file that you can use in other programs. Next, click on Download Chart Data. As soon as you select this, TradingView will open a small window or prompt. In many cases, it will already have the basic settings you need, such as the symbol you're downloading, the time frame, and the type of data, like open, high, low, close, and volume. Depending on your browser settings, you might also see a standard download dialog asking where you want to save the file on your computer. At this point, all you need to do is confirm that you want to proceed. In the download window, look for the button labeled Download and click on it. TradingView will then generate a file, usually in CSV format, which is perfect for tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or other data analysis software. After a moment, the file should be saved to your default downloads folder or to the location you selected. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it to view all the historical data for the chart you were just looking at, and that's all there is to it. Click the small arrow next to Quick Search, choose Download Chart Data, and then hit Download to save your chart data for further analysis.